What's the difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval, and does it really matter? Hey, I'm John Thomas with Prime Residential Mortgage here to answer this very important question. So a pre-qualification is where you contact a lender, you give them your information over the phone or through the internet, and you give them permission to check your credit, and based on that, they provide you with a pre-qualification letter. Now, in today's market, that's pretty much useless. Almost every listing agent worth their weight in gold would not accept a pre-qualification letter because it basically does not mean you are approved for a loan, nor are you guaranteed to get a loan. So it's not in the best interest of the listing agent to even look at that offer. So that probably goes right into the trash can. And for you as a buyer, a pre-qualification is really a huge uncertainty for you because you don't know if you're going to be able to get the loan. You don't know if you're even going to find out 2 weeks before closing when they actually go through the approval process and they turn your loan down. Now you're homeless with nowhere to live. So what you want to do is get pre-approved. Now the pre-approval, start the same way. Get all your information over the phone, online, in person. We do check your credit. If you have a qualifying credit score, at that point we can apply to get you pre-approved. And in order for us to work on the file, this is where you have to do one extra step. You've got to provide us with all your documentation, which would include maybe pay stubs, W-2 forms, 1099 forms, could possibly mean tax returns, bank statements, your photo ID to verify your identity. Once we have all that information, then we run it through probably the automated underwriting system, depending on your qualification, but then most importantly, make sure that you meet all of the loan guidelines that are set forth based on the loan that you're applying for. If you do all of that, now you're pre-approved, and you should feel very confident that you're going to get the loan once you go through the underwriting process. If and the listing agent that sees this pre-approval letter versus the pre-qual letter, pre-approval letter, you're going to the top, pre-qual letter, you're going into the trash. So it's in your best interest to get pre-approved for a home loan, and most importantly, probably from a local lender, because that can make your offer stand out even more than just a regular pre-approval. So guys, hopefully that answers your questions. Difference between pre-qualification, pre-approval. You always want to go for the pre-approval. Takes a little extra time, a little extra legwork, but it's certainly worth it in terms of giving you a leg up on your offer standing out and the certainty that you're going to get the loan and not be homeless. Please DM me if you have any questions. Please like, thumbs up, whatever you're on. Follow me if you're not or subscribe to my channel. Tons of information, tons of tips. See you next time.